Hello, you guys. I decided to do a retake because I was really nervous the first time. Okay. My name is Ashanti Dampier, and I am in the Research 2 Methods class at Jackson State University. The program that I chose to evaluate was Catholic Charities Therapeutic Foster Care Program. This program offers therapy for children in foster care with an SED ruler. SED means seriously emotionally distressed. In this program, each child gets a individual therapist that they meet with once a week and sometimes as needed. They also get a specialist, which that is for the parent, the foster parent. The specialist's job is to bring foster parents in, train them, and then assist them throughout the fostering process. Also, in this program, each child gets to see the psychiatrist monthly or as needed. Each person in this program should be on some sort of medication. Sometimes they're not, because sometimes they're sibling groups and they don't have to be a part of this program. Otherwise, they do. So in this program, the reason I picked this program was because I did my bachelor's internship here at Catholic Charities Therapeutic Foster Care, and I saw that what they use as evaluation is not really substantial, and I wanted to do something different, and I want to change the way that they measure success here. The way that things are measured here are based off of where the money comes from and what they measure as success. But as a social worker and a future master social worker, I think that the way that we measure success should be a little bit different. So when I did my is this program ready to be evaluated part of this course, I talked to a lot of different people who work there, and I asked them, what do you use for this, and how do you view this, and and so those types of questions, a lot of my answers were puzzled, and the things that they did use for evaluation, again, they were from money sources. And I'm not saying that that's bad or anything, but I'm saying that as social workers, we evolve and we do what's best practice. So I decided to do an evaluation because when I did an interview with one of the ladies here who's been here for years, and I asked her what was the biggest issue that this program was having, and the issue was a lack of parents and or a lack of stable homes, meaning for the parent and for the child. So I decided to come up with an evaluation that would determine if my hypothesis, which is adding an extracurricular activity that the parent is fully involved in, would help the parent and child dynamic, which would essentially have a longer placement, for the child to have a longer placement with their foster parent, for the parent to foster longer. Also, to wrap the parent around with services and people who care about them, to which this agency already does wrap them around with great services, just to be clear, to make them want to foster longer and not get burned out so fast. So that's the beginning of my proposal. And I'm sorry that there's so many different links, you guys, but I did want to make sure that you guys got a full picture of what this is. And I get really nervous when I present, so I just want to redo this part of the tape for you guys. The rest of the information is on there, and y'all have a great day. Thanks.